Show you how to manage your account in the Microsoft To Do app. First, we have to open up the app, and here this is how it opens up. From here we just click on our account, then we click on preferences, and here in the account section we have manage account. We click on this, and then the app is going to redirect us to the Microsoft account website where we can personalize our account. Here we can change our photo, change our name, edit our personal information and account information, and basically whatever Microsoft service you are using, you will be able to edit your account here separately on the Microsoft account website. And that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.